Here we are, billions of people, and no one knows what makes people, people. Are the only differences between people and animals smoking, bodybuilding, and riding? I saw a movie once with a chimpanzee who smoked, but I guess he couldn't unless someone gave him the cigarettes. And most animals stay in shape because they move about in search for food. Except my friend's dog that's kind of fat because he doesn't really run around too much, and they feed him well. But I've never seen an animal ride. So I guess you could say that riding would seem to be the real difference between people and animals. That is, if you don't include art, architecture, philosophy, photography, film, fashion, machinery, medicine, religious beliefs, and other things like that.